So in this video, we are going to see the three kind of traders, all right, in our cryptocurrency space or anywhere in general. If you are doing forex, you might find people there too like this, all right, but not many. Uh, but yeah, if we are specifically talking about cryptocurrency space, and we are currently seeing a correction in our market, which is quite healthy. But I know there's so many 22-year-old investors who are hitting their head on the wall and they don't know what is happening. They don't know if they take their money out or if they just hold. I know many of you are watching YouTube videos, you are following someone on Twitter, and they are telling you to hold, and that's actually good. You should do that. But I'm also going to share with you one rule that not many people wanted to listen, but it is so important. uh, and after this correction, it has become actually uh, uh, it has become easy for me to talk about it, because people will actually listen to me right now, okay? Because you are seeing this kind of correction. I'm telling you, this kind of correction that you are seeing right now, our cryptocurrency portfolio came to about 50% down. You are going to see that a lot of time in the future, okay? It's not happening for the first time. It happened before in 2017, and it happened now, and it will going to happen a lot of time in the future too. So this one rule that I'm going to share with you in this video, after we've discussed these three category of traders or investors, I'm going to tell you this one rule that if you follow that, uh, your the chance of uh, the chance of you crying whenever this kind of correction happen will be absolutely zero, almost most of the time, okay? So make sure you watch this video till end. All right, so without any further ado, let's just jump on it. The first kind of investors are traders. All right, traders are they are at the very, they are actually a good place, okay, to you. If you are a trader, it means uh, traders are usually, I'm talking about those who are investing on the daily basis and taking the returns on the same day. And for that, they have to have a certain system to follow. They have to have a certain and strict system to follow, okay? They follow certain rules every single time they are trading. They follow a strategy. They already have a strategy in place that they do follow every single day, okay? Without that, they cannot take profits in their returns. They cannot create the returns without following that, okay? And those are the people who are taking lots of success, okay? So for them, it just doesn't matter if market is making any correction. They can make money if market is going up also, and they can make money even when market is going down, okay? They are the people who are always doing their research and all those kind of stuff, because it's important for them to do it if they wanted to make money through trading, right? So these are the people who are really at a good place. If you are doing trading for some time, you know what I'm talking about, okay? And if you don't know that, you might be in this other two categories. All right, so the second category is those people who are buying it and holding it for the longer time, okay? Buying it and hold, okay? I don't know why so many people don't wanted to be in this situation. They wanted to make money rich. They wanted to get rich quick. I believe that's the reason, but of course that's not possible. That's we are seeing so many people who are becoming a millionaire overnight, but that happens at very that doesn't happen very often, right? Most of the people are losing their money, okay, in trying to do that, right? So being in this second category, at least you have to be in that situation, okay? If you are having a day job, you cannot do intensive trading, right? If you cannot become the first uh, come to the first category, you definitely have to be in this category. You have to uh, buy certain token and hold it for the long time. And if you see the history, currencies price are going up only, okay? So that's actually making people believe that yes, it can work, and more, and it happening mostly on the cryptocurrency, okay? Cryptocurrency has actually attracted so many new investors, and they're investing in cryptocurrency, and they're trying to hold it, all right? And what happening is that, but they never expected, those people, they never expected this kind of correction where their portfolio will go down by 50%. Can you imagine that? You have never you never imagined that, right? So there's one problem with this, that creates a one problem here, is that you don't know what would happen in short term and mid term when you are going for a long term. Okay, there are something that could happen in your short term and mid term that could actually impact your long term goals. All right, so that's why I was telling you that that one rule will really going to help you if you're in this specific category. Okay, now the third category is the people, I call them the the blindfolded players. Okay, they are the blindfolded players. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know much about cryptocurrency. They know that yes, of course, so many people are making money, lots of money through cryptocurrency. So they wanted to try it out. They are just watching lots of YouTube videos. They are following so many people on Twitter. Okay, they are preaching their favorite YouTubers. They are preaching their favorite Twitter handles, right? And I'm not against it. Of course, you preach someone who is doing great job. Of course, like me. So okay, so yeah, so you should preach, of course, if they are doing great job. But definitely you should know what you are doing, man. Okay, there is so many people who don't know where to place their order. They are placing or their order randomly. They don't know when to take their profits out, when to take their money out, or most of them they are never taking their money out. They are investing in shitty tokens on the crypto. Of course, there's so many shitty tokens on the crypto. You should be away from them. You know how to, or you should know how to identify them. So I call them blindfolded players. Okay, you should never be in this situation. But what is happening right now? 80% of people are falling under this category, the blindfolded players. Okay, you are blind, and I am 100% sure 80% people who are watching my video, this video right now, it doesn't matter how many views it has. Most of the people, you are falling under this category and you don't want it to be here. Okay, either become a trader or become a long-term holder. All right, and in order to do that, there's one rule you have to follow. Doesn't matter if you are a trader, doesn't matter if you are a long-term holder, doesn't matter if you are a blindfolded player. All right, you have to follow this one rule, and that rule is take out your initial investment anytime you desire. Okay, but you have to take out your initial investment. Okay, now the problem is, yeah, see, so not people might have know about it that they have to take initial investment, but not many people are doing it. They are kind of greedy, I would say. Okay, when they see they have invested and they are kind of in the market, they were in the market where every currency is going up only. Okay, so it is a asymmetric pattern where every currency was going up. So they were thinking like it's always good to have. It's always good to make more money. All right, why we have why if I would take my initial investment back, I will be making less money. Okay, if I will be having my initial investment there only, I will be making more money. Of course, it's they think like that. Okay, but you have to learn to take your profit out on the time. Okay, it doesn't matter how you do that. You can actually have wait till your money get 3x. Okay, as soon as it get 3x, take your initial investment, or you can take it out about after 6 or 1 year. It's all up to you how you do that, but you have to learn to take your initial investment back. That's how you do it. Okay, that's how you will fix the problem for long-term holders. Okay, all those long-term holders who are holding their cryptocurrency for so long, only those people crying with that, only those people are crying who never took out their initial investment. Okay, so let's say I invested $1,000 about a year ago, and now that currency is about 4x. Okay, and when it does 3x, I took out my initial investment, that was $1,000, and now I don't have to worry about anything, man. Now if it goes it goes to zero, it doesn't matter because I have my initial investment back. Or if it goes to 5x, 3x, 100x, it's always good for me because I I actually haven't invested anything till now, right now, because I have whatever I've invested, I take it out, and now it is with me, right? So if you are a long-term investor, you should have a system in place. You should have a rule in place to when to take your initial investment back, right? So guys, that's the video, my friend. Okay, please don't be a blindfolded player. All right, be at least be in those long-term holders, right? And do your due diligence. Do research about the tokens you are investing in. All right, and there's lots of crap tokens, okay, that has no long-term future. Even Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, they are doing great right now, but they don't have specifically long-term future. All right, I'm telling you that right now. So go ahead. There's so many good currencies like ADA, Cardano, or Matic. Okay, so there's so many cryptocurrencies are evolving, and you can check out those project. All right, and even see there's so many currencies are going on that they are doing great job, and they have a good company behind it. Even we are seeing a correction of 50% down right now in our cryptocurrency, but those companies are not affected. Those companies are still doing their job. All right, and if they will be continue doing their job, the price of their currency will evolve only. All right, so you don't have to do you should not be in that category of blindfolded player. I'm telling you again. All right, start researching more about it. It's your own money, man. And follow this, at least just follow one rule: take your initial investment back as soon as you touch 2x 3x, or just you. It's all up to you, man. When you have to decide when you have to take that back. Okay, I'm not telling you any rule, but I'm just telling you to take your initial investment back when it is in that situation. Okay, so hope you guys like this video. Please, if it helped you in some way, please give this video a like. If you have any question, you know where to write that question, and share your views with me at that same place. All right, so if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to create lots of videos about cryptocurrency and internet marketing in general. All right, you don't want to miss that. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I'm signing out. Omkar Singh on this side. Please take care of yourself. Peace.